Hi guys, how to make my delicious green beans. So I have 1 pound of green beans. This is already trimmed and clean. Sliced tomato, sliced white onion, and thick cut bacon. Preheat the pan in medium heat. Put our bacon. Stir. And once our bacon cooked, put our onions and tomato and let it cook. Once it cooked, put our green beans. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir. Add 2 ounces of water. And cover it. And let our green beans cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. They should be tender, but still crisp. I like eating green beans. Not only it's delicious, but it's full of nutrients. Good for you. Now our green beans is ready. Perfect side dish for your lunch and dinner. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and have a great day.